Hello, body fangs. Welcome to the bush. Guys, you can't believe what I bloody found here. Can you see this? It looked like a tack, but it are not. It are called a tobacco tack. Now, you see the things over here, né? It looked like bas, ass. It is ass, ach, bas. But it's called a Boomtakkius tabakkius omkrullius. Yeah, it looked like tobacco, not Bobbejaan tabak of guggelgras. It's just tobacco, okay. But it doesn't taste like it. And it reeks as powder. Yeah. Now, back in the day, the tribe used to take this, nee? And because they didn't wear underpants, they used to wear sheepskin or bokvel around here by the Tweekenberries here. And when they go hunting or looking for roots, they run through the bushes. All of a sardine, there's a little thing that looks like a crab. It's called a bosluis, a bush lice. It's tiny, but it gaff you with its teeth and it stick its head inside of you. And then you get a cop sear and you want to shoot chunkies. And you get spite poop all over the place there. They used to take this Tabakkius omkrullius takkius and put it there in a sheepskin. Now what happened is, when the little bush lice are walking around there, just looking where to bite, they look at it and say, oh, no, it are attack. And then they just climb down again. But nowadays, we are a bit more advanced. We've got a thing called Vicks. Now, when you find a bush lice, a bosluis, there by the berries, okay, you take a little bit of Vicks and you wrap it in a circle around its body. Okay, what happens is the fumes burn its eyes. Then it takes its hands, it releases its hands there and it can't hold anymore because it has to wipe its eyes and then it fall off. Yeah, just don't get it on your slurpee, okay? Jette man is eina. Okay, thanks.